This is my Bosch refrigerator, B22CS50SNS/01. Water stopped working when I changed the filter. So I bought one filter, that's $50. Bought another filter, thought it was a filter, that's another $50, that's $150. So then tried one more filter, that's still one. So I had $150 in filters. Then I started looking at figuring out why it wasn't working. But there's a little tiny tip on there that when it's depressed, it makes the water go through the filter. Well, that was broke. This piece of plastic, it's got probably 7-foot lines on it. It's about 150 bucks. I searched all over, could not find anything on this refrigerator. So I'm making this video to help some others. But to change it out, there's 3 screws, and there's one there, one in the back, one on the other side. Take those 2 screws out, the filter system will drop down. There's 2 clips. There's a clip on this side and a clip on this side. That comes out. Then around the back side, and this is pretty easy. I took out a bunch more screws than I needed to. But take the back panel off. It's over there. There's about 6-8 screws in there. Turn the water off. Disconnect this line. Hook it up. Hook up this line. Disconnect it. Rehook it up. I had to cut 3 inches off of this line because it was too long and it's rigid, so it wasn't able to put it in without kicking the line. So I cut about 3 inches off with my handy dandy shears. Got that off. Plugged everything up, and it's really a pretty simple fix, but it's ridiculous to spend 150 bucks for, oh, I'd say this thing probably cost them maybe $2. So let's see if we have water. And turn it on. Alarm off. Hey, look at that, kids. Into the reservoir. This will make my wife a happy camper. Get rid of her ice cube tray. Here we go, out with the old. Yeah, we better hang on to those. Should be still working. A bit more here. So air lines out, or air out of lines. There we go. The repair guy said it would be $400 and he wasn't sure what was wrong with it. So after extensive searches on YouTube, which was no help at all, I hope this will help somebody in the future. It's a quick, easy fix. We've changed our filter pretty regularly, so that's probably has something to do with it. Enjoy, make the most of your day. Bye.